Horses out, Real Love You by Heart. As to begin, Real Thunder moving up, Royal Academy on the outside, Aloha moving up, Jenny's Touch, Terrible Heart, Bloodline, Perfection, Sharp Eye, Prince Dugo, and Formidable Ella. Love You by Heart by about 3/4 of a length. Right behind in second is Royal Academy. Real Thunder is racing in third, Aloha in fourth, Bloodline alongside Jenny's Touch. Terrible Heart, Prince Dugo, Perfection, Sharp Eye, and Formidable Ella. Love You by Heart by Oralenka. And in second is Royal Academy. Moving up now in third, Real Thunder, otherwise by Daryl Porta. Bloodline is racing in fifth. Then comes Jenny's Touch, Prince Dugo. Love You by Heart, still in front by Oralenka. Royal Academy trying to get closer in second. Then in third, Aloha alongside Real Thunder, Bloodline in fifth. Then comes Jenny's Touch. And it's still Love You by Heart by about 2.5 lengths. And in second is Royal Academy, Aloha alongside Real Thunder. Down on the inside now is Bloodline. As they come down at the last 200, we have Love You by Heart, followed by Aloha. Bloodline is lifting down on the inside. Love You by Heart, Bloodline is down on the inside. Aloha, it's Love You by Heart, Bloodline down on the inside. And finally, Love You by Heart, Bloodline. Then comes Aloha.
Puto pa tayo.